From London to Ghana, yeah. BWF in the house, let's go. Integrity, excellence. We rise together. We stand with you. We stand with you. BWF. When the path is tough, we'll pull you through. From Seven Sisters to Accra too. We stand with you. We stand with you. On the high road in London town. 28 on a house we're found. And Christine the sound. Family, immigration, wills and probate, we're around. 30 years strong in the game. We got a law in our name. When life gets heavy, we lift the weight. Together we claim the fame. Oh, you want a dream? You need a team. BBUF by your side, shine like the stream. From across Golden Dawn to London City gleam.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
BWF Solicitors Facebook wall. Sounds so. And I will buy YouTube page as well. Oh, yes, to me life and a paper, my name, blah. Nah, be shade me the maybe I would comment, baba. Nay, to me, I can kind the amount. Once again, the name still remain an art to Jago all paid as I can on the pay minimum Japan. I'd send our community at the Jumedi at the blow, and so I'm in Kakano. Me, lawyer flank. About the chunk come on, yeah. Lawyer Frank, you'll be a Ben Bloom or being pa. What being papa. Almost say, soldier for no, say soldier for no, or them like you, Juma. Into a banner and family in you, Juma. Oh, Lawyer Frank, dear. Wabbing, pa. Oh, no. Tell me, didn't can a banner blessing and family and yadia, or bet challenge you, or bet your soul in Blano. Tene, on a yana. Ya never better trim come on and now pay our rainbow for from Timako. I must not mean a question come to chance. But before I ever call them, Mecca will say, foul phone, na tuning in. Our tuning, not see Rainbow Radio, our tuning, not for phone, not searching Rainbow Radio, our Apple Store. And I say, Google Play Store, who say Rainbow Radio and Apple with me TN. Sounds soon away to me ATN, our Roku TV, Amazon TV. And a Fire TV, which means it's made radio side, and which means to me a command. My call, Namene, my able lawyer, and co share and come to Chenas and Shane who there, yet debate here for. Lord, good morning. Lord, good morning.
Good morning, OPD.
Na bibia woko.
Nyame adom me ho ye pa na mpacha won so
Nyame adom nso me ho ye papa me Jimmy de say eba no BWF Solicitors workers obi biala ho bia no anapɛ me gidi sɛ mo nso ho ye pa.
Nyame adom yesi ho ye pa bibie koye. Yes, ha na me so me gidi sɛ also any o producer any o adwumayɛfo nyina obi a tiapo.
Yeah,
Nyame ama de pachi de nyina ye ho ye.
Ya ho ye papa ya ho ye.
And the professor de wasi ato chain na wanim aye sro ya no say ni asem wo ho e bi farmer so ho nti ye be kan ho Mr. T be kan ho asem
and I remember board register nti me board register na magije feature say be ye emfa me ni so nti minim say lawyer Franco nkwa de yi ade obeye me na ya be su ene be say ngege law ano pay me ba ho me ya twetwe nkomai ba na say update ni de ye wo edema yeti for minim say you be update ni wi na the topic of the day no so aba update ho edema yen no etesen na bisu nu abia wo nyuma bia bobo so wada ma de ntie we
okay anyama de obi ebobo so aka na ye bekoso no nyame ne ye da na se se odi mfie ba akwa ka wo mfie ho
ami
na ene wa ba betena na ene so asasi Thursdays ana ye shim one day na se nyankopon na na ye stress won koso na won to no supangu so
ami
won shira no ye kase
ami
oma nditi mo ma nya to ba bia do na bisi bia won fa won hya won sa oma enema de wakoma so nyina mbrem nyankopon ama nti happy birthday OPD
ye we dey kam DJ wan ko pom nyumba ko pa DJ you had DJ me ni ye juma ko to aduane dia na pe didi lo me yentie we wada wuruma me da senso wada wuruma me da se pa
okay yo deputy eja se de bia ye na no ene update no enhyeda enno so en my mono bia my data na batem say eja obun say over the week room say nkofo busa questions be
yeah
na ama ye pese yeso ye kire ya dwene update aba no ba ye nche ye dikan aka no aba ye san aka biem say ebia o yo obi a o ye naturalization ebie na say ya grant e de amawa obi a pim de kuta wo no kane no wi anse aka tro say post to afa call the home office and say be tro ba bi afa call ebia Liverpool na ba bi nya ka say twitwam the fashion envelope the post to call one post be fine no be £1,000 one farmer si say the a year guidance aba no started from April 2023 2026 23rd April 2026 you know say she said why twitwa wadiem na den ese no unhia se ebi a den ode ebeba back twitwam na make sure say was no completely nti eno no quick one na afeso no
lo biometric cards na omo issue no
me patron ane
oh okay
patron ane on say kan no mo say utwitwam a fabra fashion envelope ni ama address supposed to call one post to anko ye be fine no nti say the omo ama akwan say why then say no
say why
say no o de emfa ma ho ba say make sure why then was say no nti no ene ayia then e wo ho ena update back so e wo ho so ene say on say sebe enye obia na ebia na yare bi nti na obi ntimi enwo ono ane eba ana bibisa nti ye wonkrofo ana se obi bi efe na ye surrogate aya nkrofo etimi eko ewo man nkofo na so mutimi ko donate ye omo sperm ene ade na sisi ye case bi bai case no ene da so no high court case a high court no refuse say recognize unregulated sperm donor say oye legal father ewo akra bi eso na omo yes case we so mo dey protect families omo wo sat bi anim so because say okofa enchenchen privately na wa akoye ye woniema aban no anaasɛ court no ntumi mmoa wo saa akwa bi so because court no ɛmfoa saa adeɛ no so sɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ biribi saa ɛyɛ sɛ wofa the right channel wofa regulated sperm donor atɛfoɔ no wɔ na nhyehyɛeɛ biribi ayɛ dɛn atotɔ n'akwan mu biribi ato nkrataa so sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɛbɛyɛ adansegye sɛ ampa nipa asomasi nie nti na sɛ deɛ ɔwɔ no sɛ wobɛyɛ saa nneɛma no bi ahu no sɛ wobɛfa the right channel wobɛfa ɛyɛ clinic a wɔyɛ regulated so mbɛtumi ayɛ dɛn ayɛ saa adeɛ no ansa na wɔtu saa anammɔn no ɛnyɛ saa ɛbɛyɛ problem ayɛ dɛn ama wɔn nso nti OPD ɛno nso ɛno no nti ɛno no update bebree anyɛ dɛn nhyɛ da ɛni hɔ nti sɛ biribiara ni a na yɛsɛ yɛabom na yɛakɔ yɛ topic no so.
Okay, and I mean my mema topic in interest me, but before mema the topic in our toss with my main fa yen BWF solicitors yen normal enfant to the BOB chain and pay over per se and paying cover office na and also no obefre na anka we ye enquiries and say bia obubuka appointment before ni application be person ya and pay wutie mi a na so yen office line 020 8493 7340 020-8493-7340 na wa friend if you pay an address nso a yen echa kwan ewo 4th floor Annan House 214/218 High Road 214/218 High Road 7 Sisters yen postcode N15 4NP N15 4NP and a postcode I yedi between the locating na wabana wo ba bebo wo pfi underground train station wo pe wo de wo gina ho na wo frɛ ye normal ye ba before na so wo de wo tu no hu sa bro san na esi wo ho fefefe na wo de won ante ba ba wo du ha na wa frɛ ye ba before na ye de wa ba ye office na bibia so tumi aye kama tana patient so say BWF assistance na ye no mo de twin common enti mo asum enda wona bi wo asum fita se garam se amana na ye fa ensam no wo lo wada wolma yen to us the topic of the day na fi yen tin se kwan mu wada wolma
OPD mechia ubim mema ahwefo ne atiefo so akwa babiem ene topic na ye de bremo no ye ka bibi afa ye se ebia wote kromwa na wa overstay onkrata atwamu a wobetimi ayeden aya application everymeni wo kromwa agina oyere so ana na ukunu so ana o spouse so ana sa ene can I the couple to customer or say can I successfully apply to remain in the UK as a spouse if I have overstayed my visa? First of all, no you can say overstayer and I say obi overstayer on the one. Kwan bebrebe in the first one many party me overstay o UK kurumwa emma embra no etimi den ebe chechire no na afi omu de onye no ho. Obi wo ho a wofa school pass no den wo baaye owura mu yi bibia starte ne mu akọ school awie akọ school no wie no akọ graduate route so akọ graduate route so wie no what next ebia wanya adwuma ama adwuma na sponsor no ebia saa time no wanya odofo bi ene na anware ama na answeche enti na wote ya ono so wantimi anko fie because of ebia ne ema bi nti na ne nkrata na yeden awu anaso bu okwasa wo ya ade bi otimu na ebia decision ne baaye no na ya amfa ama no mi was ne nkrata no so wu nti wanyere wan kofie wabeye overstay even though uwura mu ewo kwampa so but ade na de kutawa ema ya gitumu se obetima tena kroma no ayeden awu nti wa yede watena ha yeden abroso obi also a or the visitors visa ne baaye na yesin ko metwa 6 months ana say or the program bi ne baaye ye ma na bi 2 weeks obeduru awie no watena ha yeden wa abroso wantimi nyane den anko fie nti wa obetena kroma na say wa obeba ha ekwan bi abefa so abeba na leave de ma so wutimi tena ha ebi ade ku school ebi ade ye adwuma ana say aban entimi mpam na emom wobetena so na mra no beso na wan renew na awu no odane obi a ye frɛ say o overstay wa overstay nti eno asechire no na now yɛbɛba sɛ woyɛ overstay anaasɛ saa nneɛma wei nyinaa bi to wo a so wobɛtumi asesa wo ho na wadura ho ntoma foforɔ wonya obi a wodɔ no ɔbaa bi a wodɔ no bɛrima bi a wodɔ no na wɔware wa wobɛtumi atena kurom a na wayɛ application na mana yɛ successful anaa obi a wɔsi mekɔ fie a yɛsɛ menkɔ fie ansa na makɔyɛ menkɔ fie na me nso mekɔ fie a menim sɛ ebia ne anyɛ dɛn yɛamma ma back na m'anim akɔgu ase wɔ fie me nso mempɛ sɛ mɛkɔ akɔtena fie anaasɛ mɛkɔ ne bɛka sɛ bɔga akɔyɛ wasan aba o deɛn ntimi nkɔ fie anaasɛ mɛkɔ kora home office ma memba biem ɛna munya ntoboaseɛ bɛkyerɛkyerɛ mo aseɛ. It's not always the case sɛ ebia wokɔ fie a yɛma wo nyɛ dɛn yɛma wo mma yɛbɛka no nyinaa yɛbɛtumi aka sɛ kɔ fie na kɔyɛ entry clearance na yɛ dɛn na ɛfa bra na mmom yɛn starte with wa overstay ne yɛn starte kurom adeɛ no yɛ dɛn nwie na yɛde ɛno ataatoɔ. Now waba kurom a nneɛma asisi wantumi ankɔ watena mu a ɛnyɛ yi na afei wayɛ dɛn wanya wo dɔfo bi na wopɛ sɛ woware no na afei wo se maware yi deɛ kyinkyin a ɛsɛ yɛ dɛn menya me nkrataa ɛnyɛ automatic saa OPD before 2020 31st December 2020 and the command the migration na yɛtaka appendix FM ne aka appendix EU so and before 2020 no na appendix EU fam wɔ no sɛ bia obi yɛ EU ni na wo hyia obi no pɛ so ware na wo hyia no dɔfo ɛno anso ayɛ den wa ware no ɔware na no ɛyɛ okay sɛ wa ware no deɛ a wonya adɔfo no ware a watumi show relationship sɛ ma ware deɛ ne ɛno anso yɛ wɔn krata ma no ayɛ den watena kuroma but that was then before 2020 31st December de na wutumi hyia obi na aka sɛ wo ware na no anso ware no na wo ware na wogyina no so na ayɛ watena kuroma ba sisi ɛnte sɛ biem after a year saa December 2020 no ɛnte sɛ biem ɛba saa wɔyɛ den wobɛwura appendix FM na sana ayɛ den wayɛ na appendix FM no ɛhɔ ɛna partner ne yɛ den ɛhyɛ wokɔ gen 1.2 a ɛna kyerɛkyerɛ ɛyɛ partner for ɛne saa nneɛma no se sɛ wo ne obi aware na ɔyɛ wo spouse ɔyɛ wayi a ɛno no ma ware ɔkyerɛ sɛ wo ne nipa no aware a wobɛkɔ anim sɛ nipa nso natena abom for 2 years a ɛkɔ so a ɔno so yɛtumi term as your partner nti wokɔ gen 1.2 a ɔwɔ hɔ nkɔfo bi wɔ so ɔmo so de civil partnership obi wɔ same sex marriage ɛna wɔn hɔ na wobɛnya definition of a partner under gen 1.2 ɛhɔ no nti now yɛmfa nso wonya wo partner ɛwɔ kurom a wayɛ den wɔne na hyia sɛ mo pɛ sɛ mo ware ma ware mo marriage certificate wɔ na mo pɛ sɛ mo de aware no tum na nam sɛ woyɛ overstay yɛ no nti wontumi ɛnyɛ den ɛnka sɛ waware wɔ bɛɛ nti ɛyɛ sɛ yɛde wo nkrataa ma wo aware de obi a wɔ kwan so yɛ den ɔware na aware a wobɛware no woware no ade agye wasetena wogyina wo yere no so anaasɛ wokunu no so ɛde agye wasetena deɛ a yɛwɔ nneɛma a ɛyɛ sɛ wɔyɛ den ommeti ɛnyɛ sɛ waware kɛkɛ obi ntumi nso obi kwan sɛ mɛware wo dɔfo wotumi aware wo dɔfo na mmom sɛ wopɛ sɛ wode gye ɛyɛ wasetena deɛ a then ɛwɔ nneɛma a ɛyɛ sɛ wɔyɛ den ommeti anaa wɔyɛ den follow ansa na watumi ayɛ den ɛnyɛ wasetena through that nti waware ɛyɛ sɛ wotumi show sɛ ampa waware nipa korɔ no na wokɔ appendix FM wɔ na sɛ wokɔ partner route no so a anaasɛ wopɛ sɛ wogyina wo spouse so gye a yɛhwɛ suitability no ɛno hia paa ɛdeɛn yɛka sɛ suitability a ɛdeɛn na ɛyɛ sɛ wohwɛ ɛwɔ saa side wɔ ɛyɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ hu no sɛ wo nipa korɔ no wonyɛ criminal wonni criminal conviction biara wonkɔda prison for 12 months and over because wonkɔda prison for 12 months and over yɛ term as a foreign criminal na nneɛma no yɛ asi ayɛ den ama wo because obi wɔ kurom akora wɔ indefinite leave to remain na wonya nyɛ ne British passport anaasɛ wonya nyɛ citizen no sɛ yɛtwe kɔto mu 12 months ɛkɔ a okura no yɛ term as foreign criminal you bet me deport you because we indefinite leave to remain a free boy just a bit matna in Fabia or Pibia, but when you're a citizen, when you could the prison 12 months when you say as a mobile because your time was foreign criminal because only British yet. And when you say Sadiano, only criminal conviction, on them 12 months and over. After we need deportation or the BRCC and found coffee, and as you'll be a time as criminal, when near my BBI Basawa anti Sadiano as already, and the suitability test, you check here new. Then, now for your eligibility, because eligibility and on a day and near church or near my or you're eligible, and son of which my day. I at na krom was wa warrior which me I won krata ro krom abra onye den onko Ghana. Now eligibility no anything oba eligibility on hwe bibi to say relationship 2 you hwe bibi to say a year o financial requirement 3 you hwe bibi to say accommodation na 4 ya hwe wo bibi to say a year wo English language test no until now you bet him na you start no you for beauty say relationship no any day relationship no say wo chese di pana wo hia no na ampa wo so waware no woni no e wo bibi ya ampa bibi say ade no eye genuine and subsisting ade en chese waware no eye maware ampa eho na be you document the friend marriage certificate no at the actual ampa the person messi many na den aware na the di adanse no enie ene de adea ene o marriage certificate no wey o di actual home office for ampa aware now so wo appendix fm mu na awarefo no eye se ye hu se enipa baako na owo mu no mummienu no enipa kro no baako eye British so when you're British citizen na ebia okuta indefinite leave e settled and I say okuta EU settlement no and okuta EU grata watching status mumumi no eni kwan say obi aso ye under 18 because we under 18 ye bu kromo amrem say oye akra oye child so ntese munyamo ya above 18 ese di pakro na wo ware na wugina no so no kuta nkrata na odebeboa no ese won wo kromo at the time of application nti ehho no wetimi a relationship if you na ba na aba financial requirements so financial requirement anything financial requirement ese wutimi show say wo sika ewo ho anase adwuma a wo ye no wo sika sei ewo ho annually say na wogie o gross say enu nti se nipa na ono no oye overstay no so oye overstay that means OPD uni nkrata o kromwa nti ye bu ni se unya adwuma akwan afa so unya sika bia no obi anhwe o batamra mu no ye bu se once a uni nkrata and ye wonya allowed so ye adwuma kromwa nti case work no assume se wonya adwuma nti wonya den uni sika nti nipa na wo ware no ono wo ye adwuma ono sika se no wogie se sika no ebetimi ayeden ahwew ana ema wo me burden entukuro no so onfa ohaw amatukuro no so ye ma akwan se tena kuro makra ni sika na ogie no ansa na wo nkrata beba nye sika na wo so be ye adwuma no se sika no betimi maintain o ebetimi ahwe momi no enti ho ene ye financial requirement na financial requirement no threshold no ye £29,000 and the same nipa na wo so waware no odofo na ono won krata okroma no a ono so waware na ono na ma wagina no so enya asetena okroma no ono no ese oye adwuma annually no gross yente hwi infris kadem no aye £29,000 and over edien na ade be kire se odofo no aye adwuma bia ogisa ne bank statement or the betray the pay slip or the betray nti the pay slip no because omo person se ampa o gross no say na wodi ampa na the pay slip so yachichem gross no or net pay no or bibia o na yahwe se sika na wo se wodi no ampa as is can say original say ampa pay slip so de obi a betima koye bi no wode aba eno nti na request for bank statement here den e ka ho 6 months bank statement and the 6 months bank statement wo de be tra na ehu say oh ampa any passport wa jisika na to aso continuously for 6 months nti enya no kura bi anka bosumi bo anka bi to nti nam say ogini nti na aye consistent wo no now na ya pay slip no so na ya reflect ya fa be reflect e wo bank statement ni mu a some also di say wo pay slips so ya be hwe bank statement no so bosumi bia e den e be to mu ampa na ya hwe hu say o gross no o meet 29,000 pounds na so o meet dia fair enough ni hu say ampa o dofo no obitima ya den a maintain you na ese financial requirement no so no e wo no so no wo di akogu na me adawroma wa meet wo no so when meet wo awie no na ye ko accommodation now accommodation no ye pese ye hu se enipa no mo tibom wo baabi te baabi a wote no ampa eboa wo emwa entia eye emra no ye pese baabi a mote no so overcrowded e bi enipa bebe na te wo na ene ye wo kra betena a ahokyere e wo mo so ntia ntia se accommodation so eye ade bi a suitable che say be man na wo so wo gina ho to wo so ware no anase oba na o gina to wo so o ware no oba no obenya baabi atena ana wo be man obenya baabi atena obenya baabi asoe a baabi amo soe no eye ahoto wom what you say aha na eba mremu a ye obibi ti say say ye fa ne say ye one bedroom kra ebetimi ayeden akontani enipa mienu oyire ani wokunu ndi say wo dan ye one bedroom ekra na o qualify because obitima ayeden ani wokunu atena ho anase oyire ayeden atena sa adan ni na wo buy immigration ma si ye kase ye fafie na ya kase how many bedrooms a say wo dan ye 2 bedrooms a na so wo hall kan ho a ye kan hall ne kan ho so wo fill application they say how many bedrooms we state say 2 they say other rooms no aka say bia one other room because so wo hall a na your TV bono ane nkunwa gu no the terminals dan nti imagine say bia na oba no kwa wo ma dadampa yentimi ka say bia mobile overcrowded or because hall or nti betu ba say nkran ba akoda hall ana say e bia nkran da hall na mo dan ba ako nti ya mamu nsuro when it comes to accommodation na mo ncheche mo lawyer for yi nti mo mamu the right advice obu abeko ni fie so no even though dan no mo kan say be a 2 bedrooms I be no one or bedroom back or a living room back or sa living room back or anu nyina be kan ho say number of rooms away then wo fie ho nti be hwe ho say accommodation so I then we meet now na aba ade a ye friend no English language test hwe hu ni say English no o meet English no what try English no so what try English na otidon oson ebi so ana wo ye obi so asabe yesi ba bi di shekwa dan ba bi akwa dan wa ko university bi Ghana dada ana so ko university wo krom ana wo country ana Nigeria and sana we den oba UK na bibi antwa bibi so ntina ho ba kire wa wadan overstay ya eno ncheze bia won school na se wanya kwanya ko school bi sada wo kuma sana wo bade ya ubetima yusu university degree na wo ye wo krom no but as I convert what they call baby if an ethics no me just a conversion amount near chess and meeting English language you know then you can use that one now so ba kuma so bia be course specific ga teacher mu no e bi go the school na buy oba na masters wa e no wi na aho kira aba no antimi anya nkata na fe no ye why your masters so krom ade a krom ade so mo ana kira o nto mbagi atomo betima you shoes certificate no e de atrese meet the English language requirement no.
Okay.
Now, eligibility a mabobo sane ma 4 no so no. Ubetimi aka se on qualify na se meet emu miensa. Ne mo made ba akọ de mandatory we ye den se o meet saade no. Eno no de ani eno any relationship no because so relationship ni no de ani one na ubegina so de aye den awai no. Nti eno de it's a must so we meet relationship no say woni nipa kro na mo say ubegina no so ade no my den mawari intend ye na se wonya meet relationship ni wi a enema aka no se meet mpa eno no ye wo exception wo eno na me ba be kire mo saa exception no ye wo ade bi e fa no ES1 exception 1A and ye wo 1B. Now 1A no eye se akra ewo ho se akra wo mu a ekroma ye mfa nkra ni agro the child's best interest in here papa yen shane so enti first of all mama kan tell say so we overstay ya na aka so aware wo ba wo ha eno nkyere se be mo atena so aware no kra ma antena enye application wa se okọ Ghana na akọ ya aba na emom se o mpese obeka Ghana akọ ya aba dia honda exception ba mu no OPD exception no ene se ES1 no se akra wom sa akra wom ntam dia ye be mo atena kro mu anu ayeden na wayeden waje na unkrata ne ba no ayeden wa strategy wadwuma enche se kofie ne koye bra na akra no wo mu no ade e da wo mu so ne se enye se akra na ese eye eba eye wo ne maame ne ba epe ena abetima agina no so ebetima basa na wo ne maame ne monye den mo nware monye den sorry mo nwoi na emu maame na akwa ware no a okuta nkrata na ode cover no wa wo dada on the previous marriage and I said the previous relationship bi akomu a ebia and e wa awarem e no woba nti e be kire ne se wo nipa na wo be dan krata no so no wo aba no ma and I said wo stepchild nsa akra wo mu dia then e betimi ES1 be boa wo na cover wo say eni kwan say wo den wo come back home and wo akoya application number because akra bi e den e wo montam and then as a your biological child and I say or your stepchild no so far as a crabby a what equation in no oh then why lucky say a crabby what montam into bit my then so sa crabby a year king so but me na crowd so na say ES1 no apply ama unko fia esem so show say parental relationship was akra so now you can say parental relationship wa automatically say wo ba na say wo ba no ba le birth set so a adanse die say wo parental relationship entinna fathers and I say a father section one wudi show say ko manu una obani no esa a kire say wo parental relationship then so na this is the case say wo baba bi na wo be overstay and wo kwashi oba bi a wo ware no e na oba no no oba dada ne de that is how oba no ne ba no papa dada enti best set na wo de ko no papa bi din so dada enti obviously akra ne nya wo ba now die na ba mu watimi a kire say wo ne akra no wo relationship bi sa no eba sa na ye be connected the dots akra no o maame na wire no nti ama woni akra no benya some kind of bond bi and as a connection ebi na now say when that connection nti na kekeke ne de ma as o to be prove say who play active role e wo akra na brabo nti say wo ya ma wo kofia sa de wo ye de bu akra no ye den enkoso nya sa niema no nti ebe ha akra no na se sa akra we no ono no o ma me British nti ono so ye British nti sa akra no ye British na want na Ghana da na se want na outside UK da no se ye remove na ko na se enye reasonable dia na wo papa na wo ha na wo fa akra ne help no ye remove so kwa enye reasonable nti enu nti ye be mo ye den atena kroma se de be ya obokoso na watimi ahwe akra no na watimi abo akra no na eniye bi a wo papa bi a wo de ma akra no wakoso watimi ayede e de ma akra no enu nti na saade ne you savior akra no you savior you don't need to go back home to apply from home country enti ɛdeɛ na ade bɛkyerɛ sɛ akora no so a wogya no so agye no woyɛ biribi wɔ n'abrabɔ mu active role no ɛhefa na wodi free nti hɔ ɛne ehia sɛ wobɛpɛ official document a wode bɛkyerɛ sɛ akora na mpa play active role bi wɔ akora n'abrabɔ mu nti du baabi saa na ɛhɔ ɛna wobɛkyerɛ sɛ ebia woyɛ adesi wo na wode akora no ɛkɔ school ɛna wakɔ ayɛ dɛ wasa akɔfa naba efie nti du hɔ a wobɛhia official letter from school akora no school na wo makyerɛ sɛ ampa wo nipa asmesi yɛ adesi ya naming as ebia next of kin anase as a contact ɛwɔ akora no school mu ɔmo database no so anase ɔmo system no so sɛ wo no yɛ adesi no wo ne akora no maame no mo na ya name mu sɛ mo yɛ contact wɔ akora no so nti bibia ni a wotumi bɛ school mo bɛfa no anase wo na drop no anase wo attend the parent meetings anase parent evenings ukoyɛ dɛ ukobi woyɛ bi anase sɛ ebia mbɔkɔ GP hɔ ebia na akora no onye school going age nti mo ntimi nko school nko GBB nti na mo bɛkɔ GP wɔ na makɔ GP wakɔgye ɛyɛ letter from GP sɛ o ebia yɛ adesi ɛyɛ contact ɛwɔ akora no so sɛ system no sɛ wo yɛ akora no sei anase bibia ne yɛtimi frɛ obu sɛ akora no wasɛm na na no akora no ma me ne ba appointment mo gye akora no ba no kwa no okora wo baabi anase wo taa de akora no so yɛ de ba appointment anase vaccination bi kora wo na de akora no ba no ayɛ de wabɛgye we take in the box because official institution be amount credit sampa we say wa akwana brabom nti hol why then what show say we play active role e wa akwana brabom na so ye be yi akwana ko fie ama akwana no wakokyere no sa akwana ye ntimi nyine nko se ntimi nyine nko de na papa no wo na wo ma sa akwana no services no anaso wo ma akwana no sa adido dedwe no ntimi nbu papa no so nko nti na be ma wo so nya kwan wa den what na kroma now obi wo ha na o meet requirements ni nyina o meet eye ya kan say our the relationship no ba o meet financial no o meet eye like ya kan say ebia English language no one yes one be exempted because akora bi won tini kwan say okofie afa bi e do akoto 10-year route because we meet other staff no nice one na se akora ni na say okofie a ES1B eso ye den e wo ho eno no ene friend say insurmountable obstacle ebia na ade bi wo ho a se e ha adwene pa a just you remove coffee a e asam fofo na be den e beba nti basa na ahwe won so ayeden aka ho enu ni bi ni se ebia wo partner na waware no bugura no ebia no terminal illness bi awie bi a chemo treatment a wo nya no okọ back home o nya sa treatment ne den e wo ho ana se ye yiwu coffee a sa ni pa kono kwa ebia wo na wo den wo ha wo careful ni pa kono wo sa hwe wo partner no ye de wo kwa ye nya wo bia ma ne nke sede ka be ka ma no ye bit ma hwe in terms of that ye bit ma hwe say terminal illness bi wo wa eno ye be hwe na ya bo ho ba say onko ne nkofo ye ni mba ana say e krona ni pani free so no e bia na omani nye eye same sex marriage on na bia akwa wo be kroma kan ne kra no o ka say wo ye gay ana say wo ka say wo ye lesbian ansa na abaye ana ezi wa benya odofo bi na bia akwa bi na mum wo sa akofie asade ni nti say kronam say omo ani ni sade no bia na wo life akwa den akwa in danger nti o kwa bitima hawo bitima kun ana bitimi anya problem kase nya behwe bitima kase ma honko ande sa wo eye ade ba akwa ye hwe na se wukuro nso afimu ba no se ntokwa ye den e wo ho wo asi wo ho a wo asi wo ho ni pewu wo ba bia opese wunya wasomdie ni asatam se sa akọ ba bia ntokwa asi no e bia no ye den wakọ akọ nti basa ekuro bi se bia Ukraine ana say ebia babia sisei omokun US for no omokun Iran for na ebasa okwa ebasa akọ ha adwena ye bɛbɔ ho ban ne nyina so betima yɛden aboa wo nti saa nneɛma wei no ɛna ɛnɛ na yɛde to apono so na yɛhwɛ na yɛakyerɛkyerɛ atiefoɔ sɛ ɛnyɛ da bia na yɛbɛka sɛ yɛden kofie
okay
na kɔkɔyɛ sɛ waware a na sɛ akora wɔ mu a wotumi yɛden remain wɔ kuroma na yɛden woyɛ wɔ application as a regularize wo stay wobɛtumi awom ɛna saa nneɛma a yɛka nyinaa no eligibility no wobɛtumi ayɛden wobɛtumi aka sɛ ɔmmeti biribiara na mmom relationship deɛ ɛsɛ ɔmmeti because ɔno no ɔbaa no ntina wɔyɛden wopɛ sɛ wɔtena nkyɛn deɛ ɛsɛ ɔmmeti but sɛ ɔmmeti English ɔmmeti financial requirement a ES1 akora no mu no nti ɛbɛtumi ayɛden aboa ama watena obidi and said the person didn't hear interactive no one nti na pause wa me or last bit we some de so say bi obi also onyo be ko fie pa ba osuro so ɛhɔ no me de no so be tato ama mo na ahwɛfo ne atiefo ehu mmra no se de si waki na obi a mehu antɔ no so mamu ntietie abɔnten mamu ntietie pocket lawyers bia mu ntie BWF solicitors because I had an power I be mo hu bibia no amfa hu bia antɔ wo so no say ɛkwan ɛden ɛda hɔ mmara no wɔ hɔ a window wɔ hɔ time bia so wonni mu mmara na wobɛhu sɛ bibia nsi wɔ kwan wetuma maneuver away na wayɛden wɔmmeti mmara no na wɔn so wɔtuma nya wasetena nti medu besi afɔ now na bibi wɔ hɔ a wabisa ansa na mede de aka na yɛden aka ho
okay okay so ebusia yani Uncle Bena sorry yani la Frank na etutu nkomo no Uncle Ben de ono ye kofa bae erima BWF solicitors na je se edwuma ni na ye ni ti se ono na edwuma ne eye ne dia na yani Uncle Frank na etutu nkomo na high Rainbow 92.4 FM na said ya kan no nkomo de ya twetwe bebe na bia wo bia wo ti bia no so wate ya kan wo di wo mo si na me kwa me den na ma yese ni bebe unkita krata so wa kwala wit me jina so agya eni na ewo hɔ a so fa kwan so wo de ye na by law me bi sɛ so sa a process we mu nyina sanke ye hwɛ mu pa na de mu hende na ye so easy bɛka sɛ nka wo tufu anka bɛka sɛ bia nimpa ni ngina no so na nka on fanye da application once na setena mu anase na setena wo no enhwehwan no mu hende na wo ba recommend am nimpa sɛ nka on ngina no so sɛ be easy de ama no wada wo
OPD. But your two questions will na voice no from kakra.
Okay. And me bisa say they are na so obi tie na obeka say na the lawyer kan na sanka me famu ba ko de aye adwuma na nka aboa me we are lawyer ahin na nka wo be recommended am ya tanyi pan say on fair no so anu mum na be so easy podi ama na at least obetumi de gina so de nya nkata obi a na setena mu no ehwehwan no tanyi pa bi sa na obetu no fo sen say hindenka or fanka beboa no wada won
okay asetena no de wo kromo a na why overstay ya ye woni ma bebrebe a ye fa so den de enya je enkrata den etena so okwa appendix FM ni mu a kwan abefa so a wenya enkrata ebi ne yaka one ye de topic na yaka no second one say unni obi ewo na nware ne mpo a na wanya wo ba no obetime gina apa no so e de aye parent root under FLR what is FLRP what is here na why den why anya won krata ugina oba so e de age I don't know asem bia ma ho so far say wetime atwe say woni oba no na awo obanie wetime atwe say who play active role or akwara babum nhia se woni maame ne akwara ntifie da bi woto ba bi empra na akotwe na anai den onna wo okwanim eno anse wo yusu banai den agie eno bi wo so abetena kromu a dadaada oni nkrata ono a wonhia obi obaware no ana on ware ye obi wo so a ni didie kra wo ja na yire ofie nto onya na dwen se obi twa na yire abo aba ba waro ba foforo wa ndi sem ye tie bia no pese wotenam no no aiden enya ne nkrata na otimi kofi ekuhu ne yere ene ne ma sabi oja omo anaso wode ne yere so ye de ebeka no wa ha na odi ne kura ma ne yere obi die no no nti obeden obetena mu saa onkonko twempana na ebi kura akoye den wakowo na wa parent root ebia wonkonko ware na akase waja ne yere wo fie nti saa nipa no obetena mu saa na wotena mu a na wo use private life ebia odi 20 years okroma odi 20 years okroma aban sinam so watena a chedenti a wodi 20 years okroma no yenya hu se wo ye criminal ye ntwe nkotum yenya hwe na so ho son wetima tena kroma mfie pare 20 years na wo enya asam de na se nipa kro na ebia wo nipa papa ne mom nkrata na de wonnie nti aban mo akonya se wo betima use 20 years route na den e de enya won nkrata eno wonya obenya 2.5 na renew sa after 10 years no na afi waje eye indefinite leave to remain na wonya afi bo na wonya 2.5 na obetima ye de obi aye obetima ko Ghana na wo ba na wo na wo ba the hiansa obekire documents che say me ba kromu ano na di 20 years den e wo kromu a and there's what to be proving die ba ni ma na de be proving uwura kromu ano first day of airport na ba ya ye bo won sa no ana say ye register say o ni pass message out just why enter UK of a Heathrow and offer Gatwick and offer Birmingham and baby afa ye bia no eno no won ka hwe but aban nkasa kra di kin agya tum say ba because adana owura krom yetumi ye den e capture and say register
we to card or passport to class so I prove
actually because ye the boom now problem no enye say oba na wama problem ne say what will Chroma continuously for 20 years? Ebia na UPA into what break is continuous stay no ebia break and normally 20-year route for no so mo refusing crop for adom can say yenye ni say owa sa owa ha mpadia to be kire say afi bia bit ma kire document na wo ba Chroma na sebe oni nkrata enti ebi kura adwuma kura wajai official document bi ama ho enti be do to prove say OPD matana 20 years even 2003 to 2005 uni address and uni bibia enti dia na ade be kire enu ntina yeso bu lawyer for edu say 20-year route na a church na poso bet ma pase okotena obi nchen eni pakros bet me dia dance here buy no mo give little weight to sani man say obi atwere tamas na meninu say but still no so no yeso ya lawyer for nti okwa ye fa so ye den e defend you and so onya wasoye for so for no to tweza ni pass me minimum since 2004 and 2000 and oba ma soye e wo asoye we say wa asoye sa be pem ne na wo kan akover obi so to ka say wo na atime nchen for bia 6 years why say ni nyina so ba be shim na afi no obi o ba no register GP you register GP I to akwajo medical records so ba ebe wom se na ide na wa ha se ekoba se home office for na ka se omunyinia e won ye so betima kire mo se mo ye developed country da eni pa no owura mu no oso mpie it'samo so mo gidi se eni pa na pie dia burden of proof ne e wo so someone kire se we pie because we pie a no owura because eni pa no need leave to remain oni hwe nti we pie no say to me owura so nti eno na nse na topic aye kan wasem nti no me de besi wa ya na yakoso na ya den ya to aye topic ne so ma ma cheche kwan abefa so abetima ya den obetimi enya o stay ewo ekromu a
okay na eno na la franka akire no na mamem bia homanentum e bia bi ofie no pese o bisa question bi erefa de ye kan ho a na wonso wotumi akire wadwen and ye WhatsApp line no problem aba ho kakra nti ye behwe se the different lines so be activity ne de no so ahye ho am nti obetumi afre 020 822 60 484 020 822 60 484 020 822 60 484 ewo studios ha obetumi afre na ye no adwetwe nkomo na bibia tumi akama nsan so ana ye WhatsApp line no and ye the WhatsApp line we na be yedjuma 0737 661 6849. 0737 661 6849. And when a WhatsApp player, the Juma, na studio line and Casa de Wafer 020 822 60484. 020 822 020 822 60484. Mfan cherry pa and me numbers and be a tarino and mutre pa my family space so amba see mfan cherry say until we to me afraid na what they were doing to the area bana they know attitude na shall 7 can first caller aha hello good morning. Hello good morning. Hello good morning. Okay, I say went to me engineer so yeah patcha over to me akona wa san frebi mu na na apekoni na watu twum komo wa na if you are so to me I come na okay I'm share oh no we so to me engineer so okay my try na am pick in your way now no dey wait to me engineer so hello good morning.
Hello good morning.
Rapper you know what's the
Right there no computer am so
nyame adu yan ho ye pa wada wo ma me tie we
I told them it's a question madam for Barbie. But the CEO in a buy now. Please obey you who be man that be man the can jam bear 2 weeks. And as he says, I can't be September and I did be with you who near one yet. Since I can't have it much more with a car for home. I'm a smart here.
Okay, lawyer Bejuano.
Okay, OPD. Yeah. The question or say Ninu Biba Kroma or a skilled worker dependent. Obedra who Nikunu Nida. And at times over swam and I then I'm a no into a buyer then. Okay. I have a count here, baby, any muka crabby. So, because internet, home office for Mutia, because since a friend radio, I check a new year, a new year until you'll be any minute or Mutia, bit me. Up interpreted team tea, but you bet so no crabby and said, and go into details.
But law, so Oshana, a bahad, you say, Yaman floor office, oh, na nke so whatever and I don't say.
Yeah, as a friend number near to me, it didn't come because there were idea be a bit much church, but so what banner said, the bit market is and say, Unu Krunaba, and that's all no you're an abba. We are dependent, Emma will be. A crazy Gia issue, and as a car be so an hour channel. Na cow near to car. So about that,
we took an over and we took a crown with the
and she said, we knew be a banner say, oh, so you're an as Ukun. Na unu be a bump and as all you're an I don't know one and can't and can only hear. And she said, you do not say, well, no, when you crumba and as a day in the war. So was one crater. And the man and Frey, Nayan and Casa. Our options on why?
Well, I'm born one because I said a bear. If you have to be a and I will be become. Okay, you mean sure. Okay, so 020 822 60484 020 822 60484. Now also to me after now watch our dream. Na bibia so timi aye kama ena medi edna na to jego opd saka mene aye la frank na ticho nko wona ofri BWF Solicitors akache na wajipni oni ya ticho nko mona mesro bibia utie bia na obasese mesro na bomode na fo ni che BWF Solicitors akache na yembo na wonso tumi gina wona so krata asam nti na wonso tumi aye den eka wona asis pelele sanse nkrata eni nam wo UK mountain so untumi and now you can want to abla on clat time ya no say ya na hard go for to kwan untumi nkobi ye ko party untumi nkobi ye gi na untumi njibi chesa woti polo kwa untumi dwane ni nyina en krata asem. Hello good morning.
Good morning.
That pay now what to say?
I don't know more bro na pacho mo so mo say.
Nya hu ja papa whatever ma na and pay answer account so dey me say yeah we problem dey be solve there more yentie we.
Without question, my uncle be a or kind of or Ghana passport in here and or work a crew so there. So now also so say or Ghana now so or give it Kuma ayinima ansa na otimi akọ na atimi akọ Ghana na wetimi Ghana de na akọ na oba wa de ahade no ababere.
Okay, lawyer be you one. Whatever.
Yo OPD medana se the question anu ya opeso hu se opese o kire se o kroma nkrata passport and was our Ghana passport into say o kwa obetimi de we akọ na oba de abewura ma na ayo yes obetimi se wo kọ Ghana de a sebi okrom na wo kọ ene krom aso no omo enkasentia dual citizenship what I say nze okuta Ghana passport na okuta British passport a okọ okrom a obiya musa wo hwe uyu passport a okọ akodru Ghana wawie oba Ghana nam se okọ no udru Ghana ho na de na ade kire anse na wupie afri kotoka ewur akwa abontene de ode kire no oba mo pese ode no be kire wo kotoka immigration section mo pese ode no be kire se Ghana passport na ade pie ya udru o mbehwe Ghana passport no mo say hu se okay okọ no so oni visa mo nsa mpa okuta passport British passport so mo nsa mpa otimi kokoro no so what I say to mbeja na wokọ ba be duru kroma de a na wupie free airport na aba so order British passport na wakọ ise so de o ma ya kama amaye ya uduru a umrempo na so akọ scan o machine na ya den order British passport na pin do question no no kre ubetime use Ghana passport akọ oba uwurem wa ha o de red book na ya den na say sisi class san from red into British passport no o de why
Yo but na Ghana immigration for your mo Ghana say ya ho mo ha adwene ya o de Ghana de ko na de Ghana de pi na so o ba na so de Ghana de mo no mga se dia na uni this time na so uni e bia o passport mo ne dia na le check the ultimate na bia o kon na de British de mo so mo ka sa de na o ba wan visa ana ultimate visa
omontimi embusa usa entina no hwe me submission na me de ma wona me kire se wo ni mienu a o kwa afa ni nyina kuta so acha se nti se Ghana wono do mba yan se wo kwanya so okọ a o British passport tiro ma mo sampa ho na otie nti wo ko okrom so acha se
yeah okay all right that's
yeah that's it
but just all the dollars all the francs
that's frank
international frank yeah or boy to my papa anti brana why yamin shiro pa ya dasi na also cost of mission yamin shiro mamin chia minua Kevino what join your life for TikTok Kevin I didn't say who ya pa me did say bibia kama and they won your baby internet there mamin tonka maninsu. Okay, so we are still live on Rainbow 92.4 FM. Rainbow 92.4 FM. Also live on DAB Plus and also live on TuneIn, Facebook, and Amazon TV, Fire TV, Local TV. You stream live for none of pay. So you have to come on. You need lawyer Frank and you come on. Remun Sam and I come on. 020-822-60484 020-822-60484. Na yemfa nkomo and so na Mr. Question na lawyer so ntumi ya no law obi the question bia blame sisi or send me a WhatsApp or see me Mr. Manu or see yemfa topic no dey about ja me Mr. Manu hia na pa or see me Mr. say wadawru mo or the application man lawyer bi na lawyer no man no na home office for amano approval say or ma accepting application na say o ma gina to me so me man on krata but since o mote on say approval no onya update bia from what so obi say ana ontu a lawyer ne sika man ntin bia lawyer no age ato say bia na etumi ba ne sa na wadawroma na yenko ye next caller so
okay OPD yo on say your application ye bebusa wo say one email na ade hye so ne wan say lawyer email na hye so dia decision ba ebe lawyer no nti eso friend lawyer no bizan say o e bia sense home office we ka say o mo de ade be maye no ya twan anya den mai nti mpacho me ntehwe abana no bisa lawyer no obisa lawyer ne ma so dia nka lawyer de e ka bibisi ya na se maya o na wo gyina mu ma eye wo client no nti say no say omoka bi se kire ne maya de ben say betima ya pre-action protocol friend pap letter ye kwa na yakoka tro mu say say no maka a kire nti omo implement try visa no mo de aden omo de aba e mom 14 days omo baba nti say obi aye adwuma ma na untwa ne ka kubusa no because ABS kana unya ko cheche chance wa ba na because adina baswa menye stress lawyer bia wa ya adina o lawyer pa betina wa ade so won kan kire mpo ebebo mu ohun bo beka se betua me kai so pass won kan kire class abade and dem menhye dante bi mpanyin se da nti o musa lawyer no ebia ne ma se maya obeto san lawyer so lawyer mpa chaw adi so mo ka so mo da adina ma mi oni so still yen san kan dia obeto ma twele te bia ko home office na na so wetu contact home officer na ya hwede nti mo mfa man no mo mfa mre ebi also na adwuma go mo sunti na my but o ko remind o ma mo de be mo baba na so la bit ma ko ye complain I say and also wetu trace our pre-action protocol letter no e de akọ fa eniema na eden aba why
okay and what's here say o tie inquiry hello good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, Pacho, what to say?
Yes, I don't book on Pacho Monsoe.
Nyamia dum pa, and I won't be chasing the magic fools. So, yeah, I'm familiar with why not here. Powerful.
Good morning.
Into you.
Pacho lawyer, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
And I'm Pacho, bisa my question kakra say bese me de me baba 11 years coffee kakra mani ko di me kakra nti na bese me hu enhyehyɛ ne akwanhyɛ kakra ile me sɛ mo a
na wo so person de coffee no what 11 years no ono ba no kuta den
or you're British.
Okay. British yeah say opuso question bibi ba obetimi akwaba because British passport en obi a citizen or that's a citizen until betimi na kofie ama de opuso question no wakusua ba anase de opuso okoye no akoya aba na emom no hwe hu say woje no sika bi ana woje benefit bi a saa ne manema na ya aban sika za akra do okruma nti na de ma no nso oni kromu abie mu de a hwe hu say before so boko no obakate daade no unji sika no because wo je akra no sika no oni a yechewa and the omechiro why
Oh, okay. And to be advised person me dey school kakra wo Ghana na me sande ne ba and it's allowed do.
Yeah, obetimi na ko say wo na ya akra no papa aja say and na ode akra no den eko enti ode na eko aso fa wonni aban sika anase bibia enti aban ne bia wo ne de obetimi amana ko kakra na wa de waba koso kuta ankrata nti anytime be person be bia no obetimi aba hwe hu ne say se passport no e be wusu dia wo be renew o mani and the wu kra so before so ba no hu say we renew because we rama be den ye be hwe passport no
Oh, okay. You ready?
But based on million question will be say say now what can we say ban sa na nkrata so oje benefit bia based on akwala no ntine de sa benefit ne ma no na all be no ka say the akwala no go school so on to so nka say instead of work say bia me the akwala no go outside nti yen stop benefit no on to so nka say bia akwala no be de go school nti sa aska na bi ne bia meso so na me de train school fees and so woju no ho say entumi yes sir instead of stopping no
OPD ya discuss kromwa school bena papa che kromwa school nto mo jomo system ni dipa nti sa akwa do kromwa na wo se wo je better education na wo so de ne ko ukrom se ho na obenya education papa I mean ese okufulo system no akra ni akra no wo ti ne ma uska ya ma se ska no nti oni ha
oni ha okay minia emuda
Oh yeah, muda pa ukuri adama sifa ya mishamo.
Mishira usumini.
Yeah, the pa dunjumu na juhwana mo. Okay.
Okay. That's pa. Okay. So you know so no 020 82260 484 020 82260 484. Lo, would be so na afie no course ni ba na pick for na say be kwa akofa Pamela na afie no because yemre no 9 minutes past 10 na ya de de ho so so what the kakra so be so e chi ni akofa Pamela so a Niger yehu de be ni nyina agina wo so wada wo. Okay, I am picking call na yen.
Man fa bi na so. Dem le so ne say.
Yam picking call we na. Yam picking call we na we are na what so.
Okay, Matthew.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, right? I'm Pacho.
Yeah, lawyer Joe so Adam and Pacho na so what to say.
Pacho do mo bia.
Powerful. Okay.
Pacho. Okay, when Pacho na person this lawyer say me ba kromo am EU dependent. Na me ba kromo 2021 10th June.
Pacho peja voice kakra.
Hello.
Yeah, after the mood up. Yeah, into.
Okay. Pacho me ba kromo on the 10th of June 2021. In Pacho menya me 5 years 10th of June we next month. Na Pacho me bisa say me qualify say me indefinite na because me check it me statute na e check me fitida me buy na check me say me aye adwuma from 2021 no ekosi a friend is saying 31st of March 2027 say me check me statute here fitida me buy me na in person me check say was say me train no do 2027 31st na say me qualify say me do 10th June na me qualify for 5 years na make me apply Pacho.
Se Bajo ecosystem no so na de ahye ho no sa date no use because eno na say you nim say odwa obon say wo check we ya we visa na obon say o picture da ha na akire ade awo so status na akire time starting time be wi enti use no because eno na say obi anim na afi no so no emramu de ebeka 28 days ama onkrata na wuwa utimi eye application nti se beka 28 days nyaba na se beka 28 days ama na wuwa utimi eye application time oye den o pesa oye den ba make sure say onnya no before say ebeka 28 days because every days no oye den umiti so o pepra mo koye ansa na time na so a one hwea na yakoma o leave to remain mum ni aka say time no so eso a na wasa de waye nti calculate ni nti ka 28 days kwa na betima but I prefer say we be use the o share o code a no why
Wow. People are possible sir say me ba 2021 June no ni July na na start ejuma ebesi me ka menya me 5 years because me ka next month June no me check me status so after that me buy me check here na 2027 but say possible sir na say no na omuti fiye ne sir
what's what the 5 years wa
Mpatron me ba kromu 2021 on the 10th of June until me 5 years ebeye 10th of June of next month 2026 way Enti but me ba ni nyina no me ba June no ni July na me start ejuma me nja ejuma and afa so no me check me status from there me ba na amount guarantee me na mama me up to 2027 31st of July 31st of January 2027 and I'm sure say metimi aye ejuma akoduru say o check you status na it me patch say possible sir na by me 5 years then ke be so next month
ada o ba e renew ana because
but me renew 5 years straight me renew
now 5 years straight now about 2021 5 years beka 5 years beka 2021 one say enye 2027 ewu
but you say
ti o ba ya mo ade 2021 o de in 5 ka 21 one ekusen na 26
yeah
and then now the no say 27
and me patch say me check me statute now fiti da me buy nyina no So me kaya 2021. So me check here now. Me start here Juma. No, my me say expire 31st of March. 2027. So I me check me start to it.
Eba. Okay. But you wouldn't come across first go see that 2027, but what the 5 years will come? Now visa ben now they buy. Dear ben visa now also.
But me we you dependent. Presettle.
President, we do 5 years, now would me show say continuous for 5 years, now would me a day, maybe our HRMC, a dear coaches, wow, continuously for 5 years, who beat me, why? Yo.
Okay, yes, so yeah, that's the MPK nice corner, yeah, and to us. Oh no, and to me, you know, so, but I want to ask some free and since our question will be something in your power, na yen share, na yen for info. Law, okay, okay, on 20 years. Okay, law, yen till enough, you know, about your back picking enough, you know, yeah, the affirms are whatever. Yen till law, nothing, you know. Okay.
All right. And is a year question. Now ye can't a quite abafa so a obey to my regular you stay no as a spouse.
Yeah, course, yeah, for chami. Was in Abanzi. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Lord, Dina, young cousin, so now we are better. No, what was young cousin?
No problem. Okay.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Voice in phone, pa, Bibi, so no man can ya to Amadalma.
Pajo, good morning.
I see a day, you know, I'm not quite a casual account. And I pay what to say.
Yamia Dumona, Pacho,
Yamia Dumia, Papa, and I pay into a lawyer Frank I crowd.
Okay. Lawyer, where me who Uncle Ben video be wiki and a mamma dream bar. I did be so. Let me split me busa. Me skilled worker visa. With the skilled worker and a body. And I'm buying a more mayor dependent, but and say many I didn't know divorce babe. I'm as say no, yeah, I divorced no last year. I mean, so also a call why we are do being cracked also. But me so me yeah, me start switch call Juma for. But me no, me declare me on say me worry. And also I be a man they not successful, me some guys successful. But all this while yeah notify home office say be our any giant baby. Then me who is there any idea LCI na?
Okay. Yo. Me pacho se oba kromwa na oba no aware. Na okoye application fufuro. Na I believe say okoye application no. Se no mo dia aware na we say application na. Nti betu abusa say we single and now we married and now you see ya. Na ehọ no na say bia ka ka wo choose say bia we single and I say we divorce. So I just say online me can ba say one yes akwa online oni no obi ma obetimi aka akire home office for say monye den maware no ebia egu and I say relationship no ni obi obetimi inform you so and anytime bia we application for bia no so when you inform you kana say we application for say you buza so our pan say otimi kind of correct you so our pan e bia ni obi why
yeah. The applications I'm choosing I think now she's single, married, and I think separated. Used to be in a civil partnership or something, but separated. Then I'm choosing it.
Hello?
Who you say may notify one as a stone, I make me notify almost say you
who bet me notify almost because I don't know say affect you be abim. Oh, do one ban so afano Canada. So do it notify almost. Why?
Okay.
Okay, so yes, that's Emilia. You mean sure, you for your next call and after you to us. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, but I want to say.
But I'm here, but I'm saying.
You may have to your voice in Mamma, whatever my wife now. It's not okay. Be able to do
I'm here to call.
and I pay your credit you ain't you.
Yeah, Mpacho, person, lawyer say, my sister, or the say even or the Bible, no independent. And then back it to Hanum Crater and tea. Berman, a unique so if you catch him for can crater. Later, on the day in the banana on the year by Yedman lawyer 1 year, 2 months, 2 months. By saying and my, you be saying any be or say and my, you be said yes and my. And I'm presenting say, I can't get what to say, see 2 and a movie.
Obi di wote nka mantene nka o
Sir,
mente kasa ni
Blapping,
Yeah.
with the said a bear lawyer bet me you question on you more one casano. Pedro and the mummy, why? No lawyer and
But I say, my sister, or the pay dependent no the buy. Later no, na would depend on any buyer. You need free so. If you catch him for the crack tiny. Until the back it hand crater, a British passport, and lawyer no a year man by 1 year, 1 month me, sir no and my. The Bissella and be as I say my. By 9% because I be a point your hobby and I'm both you I see you to found be one night.
all right oye application ewo ekromu ha ye wo standard time ema ebia eba so oyo application na enye di 6 months eko na se unya decision na the lawyer betimi aye ne se obe ade bi friend pre-action protocol letter de akọ enu na ye friend no letter before claim nti se wo de ade bi se ekọ na still mo amfi wa ho no utimi de wo kọ court judicial review say why your application ebia ache omonfa decision ni ma nti wo pese court no ka wasam ma nemum sa de we no lawyer no betimi aye nti woni lawyer no nkodi nkomo na lawyer no nyesa appraisal protocol let ne mo anaso behu yeso aye so betimi atwera komo mo eya na legalities kakra wo nti wan kasa wontimi ntwe ba lawyer betimi atwera mo legalities ni say bi wo ama ye kwan ama etimi kire remedy aye sort for na edu timi ama ye kwan ama etimi twere ka kire court ni say ye mo 14 days omo maka bibi omo maka bibi edu mo court nti o twere sa strong letter no e de kwa omo back etimi baka twere so ye straw ebi ama ye busumi ba akọ busumi mienu busumi miensa ye overload nti anaso mbeti baka twere say oh ye hwehwem ye ne ye be contact ebi department na omo work wo case ni so na omo aye den ama aje ne ama fast decision ba na say ebi kwa so oh ebi kwa mo ade bi mo busa o ebi afa further documents bi bra na then decide na bi a won fi o mo na say won reply o mo nti ye bibi bebebe ba separation protocol letter de kwa na ebi hu de o nti na kwa to de bi a wo de call ya bi o de letter ne kwa in 1 week na choose won say matter mo nkan mo ba ka cho so ke ye decision abro so ada say nti wo hia lawyer so obey sa na na say mo wetimi akọ omo website so na akọ complaint deny that but na sa application so wetimi check so wetimi check nti no lawyer nkasa why na so bo hu so e wetimi abo asa
Mpacho say ewo lawyer no no betumi aye because lawyer I don't know
say wo lawyer ho na pese ye di wasemo ya no say wo bo hu ya na wo instruct ya you better akoma lawyer no says you take over the case for their brain. Now you be call a year home office so a site. By be work na bi you work the Korea you be mom say na act mount. Now if you update or legal representatives so details or online or site and won say gender is a representative internet the BBC abano. You be a letter of authority if you ho a copy of your passport and as ID near the account. Ano ba mu omo hu se enye na represent wa nka yenya saa ne ma we nyina ne mfiri ho na atwe saa strong letter na ye da akomo omo na ye tie di ombeka e bia within the 14 days no mo do decision be bro na so be papa ye to so mo strain ye ma wo be ye 1 month bi nka ho na mo decision be ba e ba saa mo mo de letter ne re e ba ntam why
Okay. And then that's the brain tea. If you're not,
Okay. Yes, you have a munim. You have a munim pa. I mean, sure. Okay. Lord, obi the question be a blame na. I think say you beti say question we are now woman answer we are not feeling. Ya bana ya behwe na ya the house so say I can be 8 minutes be na edwuma na be we. I see Dr. OPD good morning. My question any I see why overstay? Why overstay na recently share abayo bi abayo no akwala na abayo no kita brofo no twa ha na mentia o see abayo no kita UK any EU I don't know say e wo hosa o kita UK any EU settlement o see me say which of them na obetumi de no ho atoso ono na why overstay na we share sa abayo no sa requirement me anyway which of them na obetumi de no ho atoso adawroma question obi edi aseni ablem no law so what him kan obi na no saying
OPD mate question no ase was in the panikuta EU no say kuta ekromo ankrata I believe say the person can say ebi amefan say obi o free Belgium obi o free Germany obi o free Italy and I say EU for ni bi Netherlands and why do abedru a ntokuta ho passport. But our passport can be drew her and see my be a pre-settlement. Until the Palukuta, if you are pre-settled, now no why then why you indefinite leave to remain in Okuta. So I say the crewman our tea and this opposite our chess away a relevant EEA sponsor. Fair enough, with my passport no. No what a crewman then to chess say ABI will leave to remain as a indefinite leave to remain or any status. What is a so Okuta. Baby for passport, but Oba no, ye ma we application be a nunti amo be sign different leave to remain. Nti o kan use as obi a we settled and na we state of we settled we indefinite leave to remain. Nti obi issue no. However, sani man be using na no nye important kase if you say wo so we important but so we overstay. Nti why overstay dia ade a e wa ade no ma ingredient e be ma ade na farmer e say akra wo mu eda sa wona ane ni pakro na wo anase ni pakro no wo badada a ni ba no esukuta indefinite leave to remain bi anase kuta nkrata o kromu a eno na be ma unkofie eno ayeden wako akoye ayeden aba wacha say in this case no se wono and the question no lead to the nankam de be den e be summarize ade no de awie no in this case no se akra bi anim one oba na nwoyi anase oba na nkasa so ni badada a akranzo wa aseta okromu a ES1 no be apply man exemption ama onkofie eno akoya abade a na so oba no epe ena wa ebanimu a ti se okofie no ayeden wakoya aba na mpero bibi ya na nkrofo suru se omukofie so omukoye aware na ba omukọ omuntimi mma enye nokre okwa obitimi aba so atase okwa obitimi aba ntina brana a lawyer for ya ni woni nkomo ne nchechiro mu enipa no nanya encounter dada odon wo ha dada ena motia maya aware ne dada ewo Ghana ebia mama nkrofo ejima ya aware mamo enti enipa no wa no wunim dada ebia onne twetwe pictures onne ni tifie mpo owo niema bi achese fie wo na wotie watese mo nkomo de chese mu wo bibie na wakọ Ghana na okoye entry clearance omba ma akwan mo ayeden aba waba onka ho you cases be aya man krofo obi o di 16 years or 15 years or 14 years name it afi no nya no dofo atakra mpiem ebi oba no so wa wo wi onwo bi ana ya baby anim na oso pese mo ye maware a ana so mo ya wetima kofie na wakọ entry clearance no ayede waba wetima hu lawyer for you bet ma fill application ato the bia details bia atum ya document na ato ada obedru fi ko dru fi na ka jesu adura and once the application here yes submit ne dia to mama wait me aba en check the cases aya ye bi okra 1 month ni pana ba bi wa 3 months no aba what I say nti ye den ya okwa obeba the hia ne say oba no do wampa be man do wampa na wo gina mu say mi kunu nie okofi a still na no mema na ba me nko kantiro mo office so me nkase menye biem ana ma ware ne biem so what I say den akwa we entry class bit mama baba mum akra wom onye oba na wo anaasɛ ɔbaa no wɔba dada a akwadaa nso wɔ asetena wɔ ha a ɛne hia sɛ wobɛkɔ Ghana na wakɔ akɔyɛ aba wobɛtumi atena kurom yɛ a na wayɛ wo nkrataa no.
Okay. Lo, nkama mu ato aso na yɛmmerɛ no deɛ ayɛ mmerɛ deɛ nda ɛbɛma Pamela ɛde pɔtɔ no abɛtwa mu na afei no yɛaba wɔ no afei yɛabɛsɔre so koraa sɛdeɛ bɛyɛ na ɛhyɛ no bɛtumi take over wayɛ krado gyina mekɔ nso ahwɛ na deɛ ɛbɛyɛ sɛ bɛmpa na yɛntie Pamela na afei no yɛbaa no yɛabɛtoa so afiri hɔ wada wo ma.
Good morning, OPD. Good morning, Lawyer Frank. Good morning to all our lovely viewers. Today, our topic is on can I successfully apply to remain in the UK as a spouse if I have overstayed my visa? So, the answer is yes, you can, but it is not automatic that if you get married to somebody who is a British citizen or has their settlement in the UK, you can get your visa if you have overstayed. So, when you make such an application, the Home Office will look at the suitability requirements and the eligibility requirements. So, some of the suitability requirements are that you don't have any criminal conviction and you are also not a foreign criminal. That is, you have not been imprisoned for a sentence of 12 months or more. Under the eligibility requirements, the Home Office will look at the relationship you have with your partner or your spouse. So the relationship has to be genuine and subsistent. And how you prove that is by providing your marriage certificate if you are married to the person. If you are not married to the person and you are just a partner, you have to prove that you have been in that relationship for a period of about 2 years or more. Then the Home Office will also look at your finances. For the partner route, your finances you'd have to be making at least 29,000 a year before tax. So when you are making such an application, of course you're an overstayer, so the Home Office will not be expecting you to work. So that means that your partner who is working would have to be making at least 29,000 or more. How your partner can prove this is by providing pay slips and bank statements P60. So the pay slips will have to show that maybe this is his net salary or her net salary, and then this is his or her gross salary. And then that gross salary would have to meet that 29,000 requirement. And then when you look at the bank statement, whatever you've said you get in a month, as your gross salary would have to be reflected on your bank statement to prove that yes, indeed, you meet the financial requirements. Then now the Home Office will look at the accommodation. Are you in an appropriate accommodation? So if you are just you and your spouse and you are living in a one bedroom accommodation, it is enough. It meets the requirement because it's just you and your spouse in that accommodation. If you are in an accommodation which has one bedroom and a living room, that counts as two bedrooms. So if you are putting on your application, you live in one bedroom and then the other room is also one. So it would all count towards the accommodation. So even if you have a child, don't be afraid because the living room also counts as another bedroom to the Home Office. Then the Home Office will now look at your English requirements. Do you meet the English language test? Have you sat the required exam? So A1 or A2, B1, B2. Have you sat it and have you passed? If you have, you do meet the English test. Some people have degrees from their home countries. If you do have your degree, undergraduate degree, master's degree from your home country, you'd have to have it converted with ETIS. ETIS used to be called NARIC, but now they are ETIS. You have to have it converted and then you submit it to the Home Office. If you came to the UK to have your degree done, then you can submit your UK degree, so your UK undergraduate degree or your UK master's degree to the Home Office. That also meets the requirements. And for the relationship, you'd have to be married to somebody who is either a British citizen, has indefinite leave to remain, or has their settlement under the EU route. So, if you've met all these requirements, it doesn't mean that automatically you would be able to get your visa. That's just because you are an overstayer. So, there are some exceptions that will help you get your leave to remain in the UK, although you are an overstayer. One of the exceptions are you have a qualifying child. So this child may not necessarily be your biological child, it can be the child of your spouse. So if your spouse is a British citizen, their child may be a British citizen, so it's a qualifying child, or the child may have indefinite leave or settled status under EU. That child is a qualifying child. You'd have to prove your relationship with that child. So that's where your marriage certificate plays a vital role, because if you can prove your relationship with your spouse or your partner, you can then prove that you do have a relationship with the child, in that you are probably the child's step parent. Aside being a step parent of the child, you have to prove that you play an active role in the child's life. How you can do this is by getting official letters from either the school or GP, which show that yes, indeed, you are named as a contact for the child at that institution, and that you are involved in the child's life. Then another exception is insurmountable obstacles. That is, if maybe your spouse or your partner has a terminal illness that you cannot leave the UK because you are the one taking care of your spouse or your partner. Or let's say there's a war going on in your country, so your life is at risk if you should leave the UK and go to your country. Some of those things count as insurmountable obstacles, and that would help you to get your visa in the UK. So please remember that although you can meet all the requirements, it is not automatic that you would get your visa just because you have overstayed. Once you have overstayed, getting married does not guarantee you get your leave in the UK. You would have to meet the exceptions as well. And once you meet the exceptions, even if you do not meet the English requirement or the financial requirements, those can be waived for you. But you'd have to meet the relationship requirement. That is the most important requirement under the spousal route if you are an overstayer. And also, please do not be afraid to leave the UK to go back to your home country because you feel like you may not get entry clearance to come into the UK. That's not true. If you go back to your home country and you are indeed married, it's a valid marriage, you can apply for entry clearance to come back into the UK as a spouse. So I hope this helps all of us today. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.
Okay. Thank you, Pamela. So the podcast na so dia ban na yeda so ho no bi be se ho. And mam ko lawyer when yen ko sorry so lawyer when afi no. Yen sorry na new show ni be take over. Law afi yen do o last submission yen sorry so adawma.
OPD. That's it. But the T4 and the for so I say. Say and the mobile and me to train come strong. Say that be a no BWF solicitors there. When him say a bambre moi. Ya den ya wadre mu pa and ya waha. Obi no ordinary how about if you dwa we mu a. Obefi akokwa abrawosu. Asan say eba embrema ya onim de ewo mpa. Enti ene ye hye ahwefo ne atiefo nkran say baby a wade sware dru bia no mensuro amane mo oba ha nyame adawromenti ye wani difo ha ebitima aboawo ama wonso wasomadwo nti se wo hwe kira kwanya se de muni medina dada no BWF Solicitors ye wo 7 Sisters. The address no 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 High Road Tottenham 7 Sisters. Postcode near N15 4NP. Offroad train now free train station wana obunsa abusa kakaka bisiwo ye ben Tesco kakaka no udru a oba ye wo ye baboa opese woni ye kasa obetima fa number no office number no 020 84937340 and emergency line so 077 12761884. Sabasa ebia wundi paint when man church number na obetima kwa website BWF Solicitors okwa obehu ye bibia edit bia ono aida wa friend oba ya la for bibia wa ye beboa wo sa opesa woni meso mekasa wo friend number na ye friend Frank obetima ni my den atwetwe nkombo ofra ye receptionist ne befa na won wedding nkombo sa opesa oba ha na mde address na man ompesa oba ba so a obu na akwan wa ye ne nkofo edili from Manchester Leeds any bebe Umbazo baba ha yebitimi ebuki appointment amount ewo Zoom na no why then aye video call Zoom and as person open telephone consultation so a ye betimi abuki amount time no so no akasa wo telephone so person oba so dia ofra ye be hye time ama time a if say available and say ye wo no ye be ma time na say the be ya obi abobun say me 10:30 11 12 na appointment no na ma time na waba and as oba time a wo person otimi den eba na ye the amount na waba na ye no twetwe nkomo sronko and obidi and that's it. Now, Miss I show happy birthday, Sonko. And the beginning of greater things. Na Nankopon and Mount ahead and above only. I will bravo.
Amen. Well, Meso Medasi ne insurance man the pay. Waka edeguma blabos nebedasi meda BWF Solicitors workers in ya asinamada Uncle Benso asi dan na mutiminya meba ma yeretwem komo yetiefo nya so damase impo Ghanaian communities amobo omno so no amonso edamase pa nti yedem komo ne besi ha na ya so akọ nti nyame aduma next week yebesen hia me kai tiefo so say nyame aduma Saturday BWF Solicitors eba almost Facebook TV and YouTube TV at Trim Como at Chanyum so on Timistro. And we had my Saturday follow mu na TM conversation be a mefa my TikTok page in tea. We'll be between Saturday made in be life and so on. Yeah, did made any see her. Yami Adama next week, Yabasan a shape in a BPR so it's me. Come on, tea. I was ya Yanni BWF Solicitors for Edin Kra na Yami Adama next week in the Yasenation. Auntie, Mantian.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.